Hello and welcome to the first week of university term. I thought I would vlog it again like I did last year, but obviously this year it's going to be very different. I kind of want to watch the vlog from last year back just to see how different life was. I'm going into my second year now at the University of Leeds if you are new, and I study business management, and obviously everything this year is online apart from one seminar every 3 weeks. All of my lectures and seminars and contact hours are all online as either pre-recorded lectures or lectures that are live on like Zoom or our Blackboard, which is called Minerva. So I thought I'd just take you through this week. I'm probably going to do 2 vlogs of the week. I'm thinking that this video is just going to be Monday to Wednesday as a sort of like half weekly vlog, and then I think I'll just do a daily vlog on Thursday in order to get it up for Saturday, because you know me, I love a waffle, and I feel like if I filmed the whole of this week it's going to be such a long video and it's probably going to become very repetitive, because just pre-warning, this isn't going to be a very exciting vlog. Everything is online, so I'm going to be spending literally the whole week sat at this desk with maybe the odd trip to the gym and the odd trip to the supermarket. It's currently 1:20 and I actually had quite a productive morning. I went to the gym and then I just got a few food bits from the shop, but I didn't bother filming any of it because I thought it's not that relevant to this video, and you've seen it so many times before in my other vlogs. But I've just had lunch and now I actually need to get on with some work. I don't actually have any live lectures today. I just have one pre-recorded lecture. So this is actually my timetable. I know you can't see that very well, but just so you get an idea. This week is quite busy because obviously it's the first week of term, but I think I'm averaging about 8 contact hours a week, so that's 8 hours of teaching. So today I need to do that pre-recorded lecture that has gone up already, and I also need to do a workbook and just some like prep work for a lecture that I've got at 9 AM tomorrow. But before I get on with any of that, I actually need to do some work for Leeds Finsights and Lub Society. So you might have seen this already if you follow me on Instagram, but Leeds Finsights is basically a brand new student financial newsletter that's based at the University of Leeds, and I'm doing the marketing for it, so kind of like creating the graphics and things like that. So I'll have it linked down below in the description if you are interested. It's all going to be launching at the start of November, but there are already some articles on the website, and if you happen to go to the University of Leeds, we're also trying to recruit financial analysts as well. So if you're interested in writing any articles, then it'll all be linked down below. But yeah, I need to make a graphic for that. And I also need to post some stuff on the Lub Society Instagram and Facebook. Lub Society is Leeds University Business School Society. So those are basically my 4 commitments this year. It's going to be a busy year because I've got my degree, I've got YouTube, then I've got Leeds Finsights and Lub Society. So we're going to be busy. Term has started for most people at university now. Recently I've been getting a lot of questions about how best to revise and how best to keep on top of content, and I know that a lot of you guys that ask me these questions do STEM subjects at university, and if you do, then I'd really recommend that you use ProPrep for this, who have very kindly sponsored today's video. You may remember me speaking about ProPrep earlier this year, as I know that quite a few of you guys did try it out and really enjoyed it, but if you haven't, then ProPrep is basically an online resource for STEM subjects at university. They have so many amazing resources on there, things such as bite-sized video tutorials, online textbooks, practice questions with solutions, literally everything that you could need to keep on top of revision and learning. All of the resources as well are customized to your university's syllabus. So for example, if I studied at the University of Leeds and I did a STEM subject, I could find the exact module that I studied, and it's perfect for if you've missed any lectures, or you're getting behind on content, or you need revision resources, or you're just getting used to working at home and this blended learning that we've got at the moment. You can get completely free access for 2 weeks to the ProPrep website if you use the link that I will have in the description and the code Lydia 2020, and you don't need any credit card details or anything to sign up. All you need is your email address. This is genuinely an amazing resource that has helped over 500,000 students so far, so I'd really recommend that you guys check it out. On how day one is going. It's currently 10 to 4 and I am stressed already. I've done that pre-recorded lecture, which was for my Developing Your Potential module, and I did the Love Society post and the FinSights graphic, and now I have started the workbook that I needed to do before my seminar at 9 AM tomorrow, and this is a fat workbook. I really should have looked at this before because it's 14 pages long, there's 9 sections to it, and it's currently taking me ages. I'm only halfway through the first section, but it is very interesting stuff, which is reassuring. This is for my corporate social responsibility module, which seems quite similar to my contemporary business environment module last year, and I really enjoyed that module because it was very practical and it was very topical as well. So I think I'm going to enjoy this, but I really should not have left it till the last minute. I thought this would be a fairly quick task, seeing as it's only week 1, but no. But at least I'll know for next week now. So bright this morning. Good morning, it is Tuesday today. It's currently 8 and I have my first ever live lecture at 9 AM. Obviously yesterday's was pre-recorded, so it wasn't live or anything, but I've got a live lecture at 9 and then I've also got a live lecture straight after at 10 this morning. Sorry I didn't end up filming a lot last night. I completed that work in the end. It took me 3.5 hours to do, so definitely not going to leave that till the last minute next time because that was such a stress, but it was actually really interesting, so it's made me excited for the rest of term now, which is really good. Tuesdays are the busiest day on my timetable, so as I said, I've got 2 live lectures this morning. I've then got a meeting with my personal tutor at 12:30. Then I've got some sort of returning year 2 meeting on Zoom at 1, and then what else do I have to do? I feel like that might be it for live things today. And then this afternoon I want to try and go to the gym, but it's always so busy in the afternoons, and then I want to also start editing this video, but now I need to actually get up and have some breakfast before this lecture.
As people are logging on now that it's hit 9 o'clock.
I've just logged on to my first live thing. Oh my god, I really hope my mic isn't on. And I'm low-key nervous. Why am I nervous? There are over 200 people in this webinar. There's 210 in the class. And I'm not very sure what to expect, to be honest. But we're going to see how it goes. Apparently it should be less than an hour, so that's not too bad. And to be fair, most of this week it's just like...
It's worth checking the settings. I appreciate that won't help with people who can't hear at the moment. Let me just...
I keep thinking my mic is on. Hello, so it is currently 22 minutes past 12 and I've had my 2 live lectures this morning, and then I've just been doing some YouTube work, and then now I actually have a personal tutor meeting at 12:30, and then after that I've got another live lecture, but it's not really a lecture because it's not for any modules. It's just sort of like a welcome to second year meeting. So I've got all that, and then I'm done for my live things for today. My lectures this morning actually went really well. The first one at 9 was such a big webinar. There was nearly like 300 of us in it. That was for CSR, which was really good. I can already tell that I'm going to really enjoy that module. Then the one after was my discovery module, which is about climate change, and that was a slightly smaller one. I think there was only like 100 students in that one, but I accidentally managed to send a message into the chat during that lecture, which was slightly mortifying. I was like typing a question and then accidentally sent it like halfway through, and it like capitalized it, and the lecturer was like, not sure what that means. And I was like, oh my god, I'm not trying to like troll this lecture. I was just trying to ask a question. So that was embarrassing. So at least I know now that it's way too easy to accidentally send messages into the chat.
I think Nick may have lost connection, possibly. Just have a look, see if he's still there.
It's just gone 2, so I'm done with all of my live lectures and meetings for the day, and I've just had lunch, and now me and my housemate Maeve are gonna head to a coffee shop just to work for a few hours, because I still need to do a pre-recorded lecture today for my climate change module, and then I also might start editing this vlog. But I really don't want to sit at my desk for the rest of the day, because obviously I've been sat at my desk since 9 AM this morning and I'm already going a little bit crazy. So we're just going to go for a little walk to a coffee shop, and then it's just a bit of change of scenery and get a coffee and do some work. And that's probably it for today, to be honest. I was going to go to the gym as well, but I really don't think I'll have that much time. And whenever I do a gym workout later on in the afternoon, I never seem to do a very good workout. Like, my workouts are always best if I go first thing in the morning. However, looking at my diary now, I don't think I'll even be able to go tomorrow morning, because I've got an interview with the BBC, not for the news. I think it's for like some of their social media pages, but still very exciting. I've got that at 11, so unless I go beforehand, I don't know when I'm gonna go. But I suppose this is what life's like now. That's not my main priority. Obviously my main priority is my degree, and as long as I'm getting out the house every day and walking somewhere, I feel like that's good enough and enough to keep me sane.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven.
is what happens when you go to the supermarket late at night. I don't think we needed any of this stuff, did we? And we just have bought the most random things.
Do you want to get in the haul?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Maven Freya. I'm not sure if you've actually been introduced. Your first introduction was you just twerking in the B&M car park. But we thought we'd do a haul of the random bits and bobs we got from B&M. So I don't know if this is mine or yours, but we got some carrot cake bars. Okay, I'll do my stuff first and then you can do yours. Okay. Tomatoes. Wait, what else did I get? Oh,
jelly.
Hot chocolate. Oh, toothpaste.
Protein bars.
Oh yeah. Some protein balls. These cost £1 each though, and they didn't have a multi-pack, so that's kind of annoying. And I feel like I got something else. Oh, and some jelly that I need to put in the fridge. You got the most random things.
Yeah, no.
I got 34 Diet Coke.
34 cans of Diet Coke.
And then a unicorn cup with an M on it. And some gherkins.
Oh my god.
And I think that's it, isn't it?
No, you got tuna.
Oh, and tuna.
Okay, yours is more random than mine.
And tuna, a bulk bought tuna as well.
What did you get?
Mine makes sense, I think.
Does it?
Go on then.
Yeah. These also.
We're so bad.
My coconut oil.
Very nice.
Come in handy. Some razors, essentials. Because we actually go to uni.
Oh, see, you actually got useful stuff. We didn't.
I think mine's
Washing powder. Now reduced at B&M. Get yourself down there.
Not sponsored by B&M. We also forgot to mention in the haul May's purchase of, is it 300 chewing gums? Is it 300?
No.
Hi, I'm good, how are you? Hello, it is Wednesday. It's currently 2 p.m. and I am aware that I haven't really filmed anything today. This morning I got up at 8 as usual and edited most of this vlog up until this point. I then had the call with the guy from the BBC, which was so stressful, but I think it went okay. It was just about being a university student in the pandemic, what my experience has been like, my opinions on the situation, and he said that that should hopefully be coming out over the course of the weekend. So keep an eye out on my social media because I'll probably post when it's up, if it's good. If not, I'm a bit scared. I am a bit worried for it, to be honest, because obviously I won't see it until it goes up, and it was quite a long call, so I don't really know what they're gonna like take out of it, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Then I had a call straight after with Leeds Finsights, and then straight after that I had a call with someone from the study abroad team because I want to apply for a study abroad year next year, so I'd go away September next year, but obviously that's very up in the air at the moment. But I just had a call about starting my research and looking into different places, so that's another thing to add to my to-do list. I actually need to work out where I want to go. But I've just had lunch and now I'm actually going to head to a coffee shop again to do some work. However, I think I'm going to end this video here because I was aware when editing that it's actually quite long already, and I don't really know how interesting today is going to be. It's probably going to be quite repetitive, me just working on my laptop again. So for the sake of keeping it shorter, I was going to say short, it's really not a short video, but for the sake of it not being too repetitive, I think I'm just going to end it here. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I am going to do a daily vlog of tomorrow as well, and if you did enjoy, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow my social media, which will be linked down below in the description. Bye guys.